Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us today. Today topic is how to create a section marker sample lines. Let's go start. First open Civil 3D, then open MSC Wall. This is a MSC Wall drawing. Check RD 1 plus 340 and RD. Sample line. Click alignment. Then drop down by range select, then start RD, start station RD, edit 1 plus 260 and station RD 1 plus 340, then OK. All section marker sample lines edit, check all section marker, make all sections, then copy text numbering, section numbering, then copy, select, then paste, typical all numbering, paste all markers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget share, like, comments and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.